Welcome to Bundaberg, a vibrant river town just minutes from some of Queensland's most stunning beaches. Located only a short 45-minute flight from Brisbane at the southern tip of the Great Barrier Reef, Bundaberg is one of Australia's largest food bowls, where you can enjoy the region's freshest produce at many of the local cafes, restaurants and bars. With the region's growth and employment opportunities, Bundaberg is a perfect destination for students. CQUniversity Bundaberg has strong industry links across the wide Bay Burnett region and is located just a short 10-minute drive from the Bundaberg city centre. Regular bus services make it easy to get to and from the campus. Engage in hands-on, practical learning in CQUniversity Bundaberg's collaborative and contemporary teaching spaces, including engineering, nursing, medical, digital media, physiotherapy and occupational therapy labs. Students have access to free recreational facilities for a healthy lifestyle. You will find a range of support services, including counselling, assistance with assignments, and career advice. Connect with students from across Australia and enjoy social activities all year round. Choose from a range of accommodation options, including homestays, shared housing, or private rentals. Friendly, relaxed, and cultural. Welcome to Bundaberg.